Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're back doing a little install and review of the Fence Armor Fence Series fence protector. I reached out to Fence Armor a few weeks ago and asked if they can send me a fence protection to try out, install in my mailbox, and show you guys. So inside the Fence Armor package, instructions, and the Fence Armor protection itself. Fence Armor also sent me quite a few brochures and a nice little handy dandy pencil that I will be using. Thanks guys. So the install is pretty self-explanatory. It's literally just two sides of metal that clip on to each side of the post. So basically when you're running a weed eater, maybe even a mower, around posts like this, it's not going to chew up your fence. As you can see, I have light scuff marks here of when I have hit this with the weed eater, and over time the weed eaters just eat them up and destroy them. So Fence Armor is a great solution for this. So I just installed the Fence Armor on my post. It works great, it looks great, and it's going to serve its purpose. Yeah, thanks to Fence Armor for sending me a fence defender kit, I guess you can say. This video wouldn't be possible if it wasn't without you guys. So thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.